Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine walking through your yard and having every step release a sweet, intoxicating burst of lavender, mint, or honey into the crisp outdoor air. Most people spend thousands of dollars on expensive outdoor candles or perfume-scented sprays, but what if your pathway could smell like a world-class botanical sanctuary naturally? Today, we are diving into the ultimate landscape secret, turning your garden floor into a living, fragrant carpet that looks breathtaking and smells even better. Fragrant ground cover plants are low-growing, spreading species that cover bare soil while emitting pleasant natural aromas through their foliage, flowers, or crushed leaves. Choosing fragrant ground covers over traditional grass lawns or inanimate hardscaping transforms a purely visual landscape into an immersive, multi-sensory experience. Beyond their incredible aroma, these resilient plants serve critical functional roles in garden design. They naturally suppress weeds, retain soil moisture, prevent erosion on slopes, and reduce high-maintenance mowing. By planting aromatic species near walkways, garden borders, or seating areas, you create a living tapestry that releases soothing essential oils whenever stepped on or brushed against, attracting beneficial pollinators while keeping pest control low stress. Ground cover plants enhance gardens with their textures and colors, offering a seamless look. Consider choosing ground covers that also bring delightful fragrances to your landscape. Some, like woodland phlox and sweet violet, bloom with fragrant flowers during specific seasons. Others, such as creeping thyme and creeping rosemary, have leaves that emit a pleasing aroma throughout the growing season. One, Allegheny spurge. Native to southeastern North America, Allegheny spurge or Pachysandra procumbens creates dense mats of evergreen or semi-evergreen leaves, making it an excellent ground cover choice for woodland or shade gardens. It spreads through rhizomes without becoming invasive, with clumps potentially reaching 4 feet across. Its highly fragrant, greenish-white or white flower spikes appear in early spring before the new leaves arrive. 2. Creeping rosemary. Known for its piney scent, creeping rosemary or Rosmarinus officinalis prostratus is a common rosemary variety with a charming trailing habit. It's ideal as a ground cover for sunny gardens or for cascading over walls. It features strongly aromatic, deep green leaves and somewhat woody stems. Blue flowers appear in spring and summer, drawing in bees and other pollinators. 3. Creeping thyme. Creeping thyme or Thymus serpyllum is a low-growing evergreen herb that forms a dense mat by rooting along its semi-woody stems. In late spring and early summer, clusters of tiny pink or purple flowers bloom, often covering the foliage and attracting a variety of pollinators. Fortunately, creeping thyme is rarely targeted by deer or rabbits. Creeping thyme is excellent for sunny walkways between pavers or stepping stones, as it tolerates light foot traffic. Each step releases its pleasantly herbal aroma, enhancing outdoor spaces. 4. Dwarf catmint. Catmint or Nepeta spp. is an easy-to-grow perennial with gray-green leaves, blooming from late spring through summer. Both its leaves and flowers emit a pleasant fragrance. Dwarf varieties like Little Trudy and Little Titch work well as ground covers for sunny gardens, growing 8 to 10 inches tall with delightful purple blooms. Besides having an extended flowering season and a piquant fragrance, catmints also attract many pollinators and can help deter deer. 5. Roman chamomile. Roman chamomile or Chamaemelum nobile produces small, aromatic, daisy-like flowers with white petals and yellow centers from June to September. Both its leaves and flowers give off a sweet, fruity aroma and can be dried for a relaxing tea. This perennial, easily grown from seed, spreads by rooting along its creeping stems. It has a charming, meandering growth pattern, making it suitable as a fragrant lawn alternative or when planted between stepping stones. 6. Sweet violet. Sweet violet or Viola odorata boasts flowers with a pleasant fragrance traditionally used in perfumes. They are typically deep purple with light purple, pink, and white varieties available. The flowers bloom above a cluster of heart-shaped, evergreen leaves from late winter to early spring, when few other plants are flowering. Additionally, the flowers are edible. 7. Sweet woodruff. A wonderful choice for moist, shady locations, sweet woodruff or Galium odoratum is an easy-to-grow perennial. When thriving, it spreads to form a lush carpet of bright green foliage. In late spring, an abundance of tiny white star-shaped flowers emerge. Both the leaves and flowers have a light, vanilla-like fragrance. Flowering stems are used to flavor May wine, a traditional German beverage. 8. Woodland phlox. Sometimes called wild blue phlox, woodland phlox or Phlox divaricata, is a North American native perennial. It forms spreading mats of foliage. In April and May, loose clusters of delicate, sweetly scented flowers appear. The blossoms are usually blue or purple, though a white-flowered variety, Fuller's white, also exists. This creeping ground cover thrives in dappled shade and is ideal for the front of a perennial border or growing between trees and shrubs in a woodland garden. Its shallow roots make it an excellent cover for early spring flowering bulbs. Transforming your garden floor from a plain green lawn into a sensory paradise doesn't just elevate your outdoor decor. It completely changes how you experience your home's exterior space. Whether you choose low-growing creeping thyme to line your stone pathways, soothing chamomile for a soft walkable carpet, or fragrant sweet woodruff for your shady garden nooks, these living fragrant tapestries will make your yard the envy of the entire neighborhood. If you love these aromatic garden ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for weekly inspiration on turning your outdoor spaces into dream landscapes. Which fragrant ground cover are you excited to plant in your yard first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new design tip.